Unfortunately, today we cannot get the 3 points.
PSM! 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 PSM!
Banyak pemain dari timnas.
This guy, under 21, former Netherlands.
X21-nya Belanda.
This guy from Montenegro.
Timnasnya Montenegro.
This guy from Lebanon.
Dari Lebanon. Timnas juga.
This guy from Greece.
Timnasnya Yunani.
Okay? At least this 4. After we have also national team from Indonesia. Play heavy and
Lokalnya juga timnas.
and the striker he play on China and he play on Japan. So he start to play
Pemain Cina dan Jepang.
And one thing, last season he make out season Bagus on Bayangkara. So for these guys go to pick up the guys Bayangkara paid good. It's because these guys too much money. Also agree, say to me that want to stay and after much money go.
Bayangkan dia setengah musim bagus di Bayangkara.
Today we must be proud what we make before.
Kalian boleh bangga sama pencapaiannya kalian sebelumnya.
But what we make before not gonna help us today.
Tapi catat, apa yang kalian buat sebelumnya itu tidak akan bantu kalian di lapangan sebentar.
Means that today we must be a fighter.
Artinya kalian harus bertarung.
Must be a
Bertarung
fighter.
lapangan.
Must be a fighter. Must be a fighter. Huh? Everybody today must be a
Ya,
fighter.
berkorban.
Without bola. Okay?
Tanpa bola.
And I want everybody there. This match, it's very important we create good environment with our supporters.
Kita perlu buat sesuatu ya untuk
And how we gonna create it? It's with the behavior that we're gonna show inside of the field.
attitude-nya kalian, tunjukkan attitude-nya kalian di lapangan.
Without ball and with ball.
Ya, tanpa bola dan dengan bola.
Okay? Let's go to make good warm up.
The Skyline Viewer Regional El Meco.
Seperti biasa, sebelum saya membacakan daftar susunan pemain, kami akan menyapa satu persatu. Selamat datang kepada kelompok Sumbawa.
Now, all the games full.
Sebelumnya full stadion terus.
Why? Because the people are keep the money for after come with Persib.
Ya, karena orang-orang mau simpan uangnya mau datang pertandingan Persib nanti.
So we must respect these people that come today.
Jadi kalian harus betul-betul hargai teman-teman.
We must
Hargai
respect
yang datang
them.
sekarang.
Many of these people don't work today, make big travel to come here today.
Mereka pilih nggak kerja hari ini, lakukan perjalanan untuk datang nonton kalian, untuk datang support kalian.
And they don't think that they will have these quality players.
Mereka
They
tidak
think that's
pikir
gonna be
bahwa
easy
tim
for us.
bagus. Oke? Jadi kayak pertandingan apa ini tidak terlalu meriah begitu.
So today, guys, today I don't care about the result. Today I want bagus performance without bola and with bola. Without
Saya tidak
bola,
terlalu
we must
peduli
be
sama
firm.
hasil teman-teman. Kerjanya kalian harus saya dapat dari kalian. Performa kerja tanpa bola dan dengan bola. Kalian harus kerja keras.
Today it's 8 July.
Hari ini 8 Juli.
You remember what was the last win that we take? You remember? Too much time. Was the last match? Liga Sub here against
Pertandingan
Brunei.
terakhir kita kapan?
All the other matches that we play, also friendly matches, we draw.
Lawan Borneo. Tapi setelahnya itu kita draw. Belum pernah menang.
One of the things that enjoy is when finish the match, we feel that we give everything and also we get the 3 points.
Kalian tahu
Good feeling.
perasaan itu pada saat kita dapat 3 poin teman-teman. Perasaan bahagia.
Tomorrow you rest.
Besok libur.
It's total different. Have the rest with not so good
Pasti
results
beda.
and have the rest with 3
Pasti
points.
beda perasaan kalian. Libur, tapi kita tidak dapat 3 poin.
Okay guys, but to have 3 points, we need to work very hard as a team.
Kerja untuk 3 poinnya kita ya.
Guys,
Kerja keras.
they can have better players with more money.
Mereka bisa punya tim lebih mahal di sini.
But let's go to work hard
Tapi harus kerja keras kalian.
with our identity PSM.
Dan untuk dengan identitasnya kita.
Two, you can have the best players with money, but we can together have the best team.
Doa selesai.
Bangsa!
Ada dah, insert. Momentum.
Jiwa dan Rumah Sakit Primaya. Kami